Hello children, how are you all? Now we are back with our studies. Today we are going to learn a poem from Unit 9, Clouds. Children, in the past also you all have learned about the seasons. How many seasons do we experience in a year? 3 seasons: summer, winter and monsoon. Right now, which season are you experiencing? You are experiencing winter season, and how do you feel? You feel very cold. After winter season will go away, then which season will come? Summer season will come. And when summer season will come, how do you feel? You feel very hot. All the time in your house the fan is on. You will not like to move about in the sun. Also when you go out you feel so hot, you feel when you will come inside your house. So that is why children, people don't like so much summer season. And in the house everyone is switching on their AC, and then after that only they go to sleep. But is it good, children? You have to experience everything. Now that same thing is in this poem. When people are feeling very hot, people are waiting only for one thing, and that is rain. So today we are going to learn about clouds. It is hot. It is very hot, and when you feel hot you start perspiring. You don't like to go out also of the house. The sky is blue. The sun shines brightly. You will see and what color you will find? The sky is blue. A little clouds comes looking for you slowly when the summer season will go little by little, then what will happen? Clouds will come looking for you, and after some time more clouds will come. That means summer season is going and the new season is arriving, and that is rainy season. More clouds come, they bring rain. Now when more clouds come, what happens? They bring rain. Sing and dance, it's cool again. And who sing and dance? Small children. They are very happy. Big people will not be happy, but small children will always be happy. They like to sing and dance. They wait eagerly when rainy season will come, and how they will go out, get wet, sing and dance in the rain. So that is the end of the poem. Along with this poem, children, Unit 9 is also connected with the clouds, especially during the rainy season. When rainy season comes, what happens in the sky? You see 7 colors in the sky. And what is that called? It is called rainbow. So Unit 9 prose Anandi's rainbow. There is a little girl, Anandi. She is fast asleep. She is sleeping, and while she is sleeping she is dreaming about rainbow. And what is rainbow? Rainbow is a bow of 7 colors that you see during the rainy season. It has 7 colors like red, blue, green, yellow, indigo. So this 7 colors, Anandi, she is fast asleep and she is dreaming. But while she is dreaming, she gets up from the bed. She goes near the window and she looks out of the window, and she looks that really there are 7 colors rainbow in the sky. She becomes very happy. She runs out from the house and she goes into the garden. Before that she takes some colors and brush, and there in the garden she sees many flowers. She gets the idea of painting the flowers. एक लड़की है, छोटी सी लड़की, वो सो रही है और सोते सोते वो इंद्रधनुष के सपने देखती है, और इंद्रधनुष के सपने देखते देखते वो जाग जाती है, और जाग के फिर वो बगीचे में जाकर एक ब्रश और कुछ कलर्स लेके निकल जाती है और फिर वो क्या करती है, व्हाट डज शी डू, शी स्टार्ट्स पेंटिंग द flowers. One flower she paints in red color, another flower she paints with blue color, another flower she paints with indigo color. Like this way slowly she paints all the flowers. But along when she comes out from the house, she has a little pet, Millie. Millie is a cat. She also comes out with Anandi. She also sits in the garden and she observes how Anandi is painting all the flowers. She is also painting the leaves in green colors. So like this way children, she is coloring all the flowers, but one flower she does not color. वो एक flower color नहीं करती है, that is yellow. She wants the yellow sun to shine and give all the shyness on the flowers. So she leaves the yellow flower because she leaves that for the yellow sun to shine from up. Now slowly what happens, after finishing all the flowers are looking very beautiful, but by the time she finishes all the colors, painting all the flowers of the garden, the rainbow goes away. So that's the end of the lesson children. Okay children, now I will explain you the new words. First one, outside, outside. outside मतलब घर के बाहर. हर वक्त तो घर के अंदर रहना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. यू विल नॉट लाइक टू सिट ऑल द टाइम inside your house, especially when you want to go to school. You will get ready, then you will study from home only. Nowadays this due to corona problem is there, so you all are studying inside your house, it's okay. But when the school will reopen, will you study at home only? No. What you will do, you will get ready according to your time. You will come out from your house. So when you will go out from your house, that is called outside. Similarly, from outside when you will come inside, that means when you will come inside the classroom, you will first say, teacher please may I come in, then you will come inside. After sitting in the class during the recess time, what will happen, you will all leave the class and you all will go out. So when you all will go out, you all will say, teacher please may I go out to drink water, teacher please may I go to take my book, teacher please may I go to the office. So when you want to leave the class and go out, that time you will say the permission and you will say out. You will use the word out. Out means bahar, ghar se bahar. Fast asleep. Fast asleep, after the whole, fast asleep means deep sleep. तुम्हें गहरी नींद में सोना है. फास्ट स्लीप आफ्टर द होल डे लॉन्ग वर्क, व्हेन यू आर बैडली टायर्ड, what you need is rest. And how you will take the rest? You will take rest by sleeping. That time you want peace. You will straightly have a nice dinner. You will watch some TV program and then finally you will go to sleep. And where will you sleep? On the bed. Faster sleep, that is called fast sleep. Dreaming. Dreaming word is also connected with the sleep. Dreaming means सपने देखना. और सपने क्या होते हैं? When you are closing your eyes, when you are in deep sleep, you see something inside your eyes going on. You see some vision. उसको बोलते हैं vision. मतलब तुम कुछ देखते हो. You can see something even though your eyes are closed. तुम्हारी आंखें तो बंद है, but you will see something inside your eyes moving. You will see some pictures moving, speaking, talking, dancing, whatever you think. One thing is there, dream, the dream that you get, whatever you think and you imagine, that comes in your dream. If you are thinking about some good man, then that good man will come in your dream. So good thoughts will give you good dreams. Window, the opening part of the house that everybody has. All the buildings will have a window, the opening part, to let the fresh air come in and let the air go out. Rainbow, as I told you, There are 7 colors and that is जिसको कहते हैं इंद्रधनुष. This 7 colors, bow of 7 colors you see during the rainy season in the sky. Bright. The sun shines brightly when there is full of light. When all the lights will be closed inside your house, then your house will look little dark. But when you will switch on the light, there will be brightness inside your room. So that is called bright. So when there is light, then it becomes bright. Favorite. Favorite मतलब जो तुम्हें बहुत पसंद है, बहुत सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है, your favorite. Some have their favorite colors, some have their favorite fruits. Some people have their favorite color is green, for some people their favorite color is pink. So according to their colors, they try to take the things also as such. Like if a girl is very fond of pink color, if her favorite color is pink, then she will buy a pink dress on her birthday. So that is called favorite. Favorite fruit also. During the summer time, everybody will rush in the market to go and purchase mango, because mango is called the king of the fruits. Everybody are fond of having mangoes only. So most of them, their favorite fruit is mango. So that's the end of the lesson, Unit 9.